Manual for Milk and Milk Products Testing Laboratories. By Dr. Trishna Borpujari, Dr. Rajendra Nath Borpujari and Dr. Rashmi Rekha Sekia. India is the highest milk producer and ranks first in the world, contributing 24.60% of global milk production in the year 2021-22. The milk production of India has registered a 58% increase during the period from 2014 to 15 and 2020 to 23 and has produced 230.58 mt of milk in 2020 to 23 valued at INR 16,792.10 billion in 2023 with a CAGR of 5.85% over the past 9 years. By 2032, the CAGR is expected to grow by 13% during 2024-32, reaching the market size of more than INR 49,953 billion. The Indian dairy industry is experiencing robust growth propelled by technological innovations, improved cold chain facilities, penetration of organized retail, and e-commerce channels offering avenues for market expansion with convenient access to a wide range of diversified and quality-focused dairy products. And establishments of supermarkets, hypermarkets, and online platforms. While it is in the interest of the agrarian economy of the country to drive ahead with this phenomenal production growth, equally important is the quality control of milk and milk products at the various production and processing stages. In the words of Villa Foster, quality is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere efforts, intelligent direction, and skillful execution. Quality control begins with the evaluation of raw materials such as milk, cream, and all other ingredients that form the basis of manufacturing dairy products. These materials must meet specific standards for freshness, purity, and composition. As a best practice, regular testing and analysis of incoming raw materials help identify any deviations that may affect the quality of the final product. Quality control laboratories play a vital role in conducting a range of tests, including chemical, physical, and microbiological, that facilitate the evaluation process of the quality and safety of the products. Such tests in laboratories typically include assessing fat content, protein content, bacterial counts, and sensory evaluation. Results from laboratory tests guide decision-making and help ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Instances of adulteration and contamination raise consumer apprehensions, impacting confidence and consumption rates. Strict quality control at the primary, secondary, and tertiary levels will deter the adulteration of milk, improve the safety indices of raw milk and processed dairy products, and foster market growth. Safeguarding public health through regular checks of the raw materials by qualified dairy analysts can significantly improve the quality of raw milk and the variety of milk products produced and marketed in India. The book provides comprehensive details of the various test methods to determine the quality attributes of milk and milk products and the adulterants commonly used by unscrupulous traders so that public health can be protected. The authors hope that the book would meet the needs of the analysts working in dairy quality control laboratories as well as the undergraduate and postgraduate students of the agricultural and veterinary universities, dairy and food science and technology institutions of the country. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.